See, one more thing I'll just show you. See, the Abdul Aziz, now it is payable to amount is 998. So suppose he wanted to make the price, you can also collect the payment from the customer. For this you have to go to receipt and you can choose Abdul Aziz, and now he is going to make the payment around 98 rupees by cash. He is going to pay here. So click on save. Once he made the payment, you can give a receipt like this. The received amount is 98 rupees. Like this, you can send a reports to him by WhatsApp, or else you can also print it in your printer. Alright, so we can just reload it again. Abdul Aziz is having only 900 rupees payment due. Okay, so that's it for the payment, sales and payment. And if you wanted to have a sales return, go to the sales return and choose the previous bill. Okay, invoice number. The last Abdul Aziz bill we can adjust, and this item he wanted to give the sales return. That item, I'm just adding it. So you have to mention how he is going to make the payment. So 110 rupees. Before you remember the 900 rupees he wanted to make, he having a payment due. Now 110 rupees sales return he is making. So I'm just adjusting with his credit account. So from 900 his account ledger is reduced to 110. So that we can check it from here. Abdul Aziz, now he is having only 790 rupees pending. Before it was 900. The 110 is reduced. Now it is 790. Alright. So now we can see this purchase and purchase entry. So whenever you are purchasing some item into this, so before that I will show you how to add an item. So if you have any particular medicine that you wanted to add into the software, so I'm just adding ABC medicine 1. Okay. So manufacturer name is, again I'm just putting some ABC or something else. Also you can just select from the drop down whatever it is. For example, I'm just selecting AVN. If you know that HSN code, you can type the HSN code also, and if you know the description you can add it. And now you can just add some kind of right number or position if you have. In purchase price is 100 rupees and reorder point is 10, and sales unit is like numbers or tab. Yeah, for example we can make it tab also. I'll tell you tab or strips and tab. One strip having 10 tabs. Okay, and here the sales tax you can make it like inclusive. Always the tax is including the price which you are entering here is including the tax or MRP. And the purchase price always it will be like exclusive. You will be getting in that table with, and the tax percentage is 12, whatever the tax you are having. And here you can select the schedules. In the case of Ayurvedic you can choose it others. And as of now I am just entering a 50 quantity in opening stock which we already have, and the MRP of that item is 250 rupees. And the sales rate we can also give it in alright 240. Okay, and batch number ABC 12345. Okay, and this expiry date I'm just making it after 4 months or so. That's it, you can add it. Now you can click on save, and this option is like the search medicine name. If you know the specific medicine name that you can search and click enter, the manufacturer and prescription and alternative medicine, all the details you will be getting. So I'm just not doing with this. Now I'm just clicking on save. The medicine name is ABC and quantities I'm just adding 50 in stock. Okay, purchase price is 100 and selling price is 240, MRP is 250. I'm just clicking on save. Now you can see this ABC medicine 1 in your sales window. ABC. I'm just clicking on enter. Sorry, before that we have to select a customer account. For example, we can add same Abdulaziz itself. Now we can enter ABC. Yeah, ABC item. The available quantity is 50 pieces and MRP is 240 and your selling price is 240. Alright, so I'm selecting this. So you can just type the quantity with selling quantity. Now by default it is a 1 strip equal, the amount is 240 by selling price is 240, and if you wanted to sell 1 strip or 2 strip, type 2 and click F11. Alright, so 240 into 2, 480. And the same medicine you want ABC, and also you wanted to add some loose quantity like 5 tabs. Just click on tab button and use a down key, that is tab. So if you are using 5 tab, it is cost you 1 strip having 10 piece and that will cost you 240 rupees. 5 tab if you are taking, it will cost you only 120. That is added. Okay, so it automatically adjusts in the quantity 2.5. So the total amount is 60. Alright, so that's it, and here you can see the purchase price it is showing. Alright, from the total, the added, here you are getting, if you're selling 2.5 quantity, you will be getting a margin profit is 285 rupees. That means a margin. So if you don't want, you can decide whether you wanted to display like this, then that you can decide from the back end. And that's it, and I'm just again, this is 600 rupees item I'm just selling into this Abdulaziz by 7 days credit terms, and I'm just making the payment. Now this bill I wanted to display in A5 size. I'm selecting the printing size and clicking on save. So now it will show you, click on enter button, it will show you the A5 size. Alright, so remember that all these details which you are showing on this bill, we can customize it. If you have any special designs you want, or specific informations you wanted to add or you wanted to remove from this existing design, we can do this customization also as per your request. Okay, and if you click on print button, it will print into your printer. And if you wanted to save in PDF format, that also possible. And if you wanted to send it to someone by email, that also possible, you by entering the email address and clicking on this button. And the same way you can type your WhatsApp number, whatever it is, and click on this WhatsApp button. So this is our sales window. And suppose if you have any salesman, and that salesman having you wanted to make some kind of commissions, like if you're selling 10 rupees, if you're selling daily, if the salesman is making sales at least around 5,000 or 10,000 sales daily, so he will be getting a 2% commission. So based on that commission based system, you can manage in this system, in this section. For that, you have to go to this salesman account. You need to set up this, how much percentage you wanted to give to that salesman if he is making this particular amount of sales.